you get to see Vista Montaire. Yeah, let's go. All right, here we go. All right guys, we made it to Tacoma, so let's take a tour. So as you walk up, you can see it has a very modern feel, huge windows, double door entry. So you have a lot of natural light coming into this home here for sure. As you walk into the foyer, you have 12-foot ceilings. Off to this side, you have a formal dining room. Off to that other side, you have an office, but there's a wet bar over here. So you have a full sink. Again, 12-foot ceilings in this room here. So let's go back to this office slash bedroom. So I say office slash bedroom because it could be an office, but it's a bedroom currently because it has a closet. But again, it has 12-foot ceilings as well. So let's take a look at the open concept great room. You got a fireplace. On this side here, you'll have 2 bookshelves flanking that with 2 lights, a closet. You see those 8-foot doors as well. What I like about this home is here, you have a drywall hood. So above your stove, you have a drywall hood here, but on both sides, you'll have 2 floating shelves. Huge island, but look at this amazing view. You have 2 pocket doors at the back of your home. Look at those views there. The distance there, you got the mouth of the Kern. So whitewater rafting happens there. Let's go to the primary bedroom. So take a look at this. You'll have your California king bed right there, flanked with those 2 windows. But look at this view when you get up. So get up, you do your yoga, your meditation, and look at that view. All right, now we'll go into the primary bathroom. This one here, I'll try to paint a picture. You got a vanity to your left, a floating tub here. Then on that side, you'll have another vanity. Then back here, you have a huge shower. Take a look at that. So 12-foot shower. Here, if you look there, there's you can sit on that little bench there, shave your legs, do whatever you gotta do. But look at that, that's pretty cool. All right, now let's go to the other side of the house where you have pretty much a private family room with a bedroom and bathroom. So this could be an in-law suite, it could be for your teenager. So this is a massive room. It's hard to see it on the video, but right here, this could be a living room. That could be their bedroom, so good sized bedroom, full bath, but this whole area here could serve as like a 1-bedroom apartment in a way. And again, you got those views. The one thing Vista Montaire has to offer that no one else has to offer is look at that view. Can't beat that. All right, so my goal is to show you new construction, show you great places to eat, and just give you a lot of information if you're moving to Bakersfield. So if you like this episode, subscribe to Have a Great Day.